Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Nurul Zabur, and today I want to talk about the new president of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. So, how is Prabowo Subianto? Is well-known figure in Indonesian politics and the military world. He has a long career as a soldier and politic, and how finally become the eighth president of your country. In my opinion, Prabowo Subianto brings strong leadership and new energy to Indonesia. I believe a good intention for improving our nation, especially in education, economy, and national defense. During his early life, he joined the army and became a disciplined and brave soldier. Later, the dedicated to move into politics and built his own political party called Gerindra. Since then, he has been activist in my election and political activities. When we talk about his leadership style, I think it's frame politic and sometimes quite emotional about national issue. uh, Look serious most of the time, but I think it shows his strong dedication and love for the country. Now, some people like him and some people don't. To be honest, I have mixed feeling too, but since he's now our president, I think we should try to support him and hope that we can do his job well. Supporting doesn't always mean agreeing with you everything, but it may mean giving a chance from to prove himself. What are his plans for Indonesia? We talk a lot about food security, defense modernization, and economy independence. Also want to continue my program from the previous government. Often see him on the news and actually talk about working together and moving forward as a nation. Always say that Indonesia must be strong and independent. Of course, being a president not easy. My challenge is global economy, corruption, or environmental problem. But as leader, must be wise, open mind, and willing to listen to. In conclusion, I believe every new leader bring both hope and responsibility. Prabowo Subianto will make mistake sometime, but also believe we will try to learn and do better. Sitting, we can support him in positive ways by working hard, staying united, and caring for our country. Thank you for listening to my opinion. My Indonesian always grow strong under God and sin leadership. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Darussabar. My opinion about Prabowo Subianto. Hmm, Introduction. President Prabowo Subianto is the new leader of Indonesia. Always so strong character and deep love for country. Before becoming president, serves in the military and leader with discipline and courage. Later built the Gerindra party and become one of Indonesia's most influential politics. Military career. Retraining Prabowo Subianto started in a military journey at the Indonesia Military Academy. Service in Kopassus, joined Kopassus, Indonesian Special Force, and quick become one of the most respected officers. Uh, Command and recognition become a comet and gain national recognition for his work. Post-military reflection after years in service reflect on his experience and dedication to service Indonesia is another way. Political appearance begins to appear more often in the public sphere and joining the Golkar Party. Founding the Gerinda Party establishes the Great Indonesia Movement Party with a vision of national strength and independence. Running for run for president wins but twice to win. Atletic and the then President of Indonesia, finally after years of decision wins the president election. Leadership and public perception. Leadership and perception. Frame Prabowo is always frame in the dedication and word. The never is that is when must take responsibility. Patrick always saw in the law for Indonesia in every space and action. Discipline essentially kept high the discipline in his work and daily activation. Emotional, misalnya sometimes speak emotionally, emotional when they talk about national issue. However, must control his emotion so it will not affect his the discussion. Public perception uh, make reputations in the reform era. Prabowo Subianto often faced public debate in the reform era 1998 is always connect to the political transmission that changed Indonesian history. Controversial issue sometimes becomes the center of controversy because of human rights issue from his military period. Public perception image in the media coverage about him is often divided. Some media highlight his firmness and nationals, while other criticism is part of personality. Generation differences. All generation sometimes still member is converse. Personal view. In my opinion, Prabowo's post connect be erased, but it can be a lesson. Reputation and credibility in the past, Prabowo Subianto is often seen as a string and intimidating military figure. Media coverage during in reform era usually highlight his firmness and controversies. Over the years, his image star change, become more open, smelling more often, and showing also in public event. My vision, Prabowo Subianto always states that Indonesia must becomes a strong and independent nation. His vision is both economic separate food security and defendant modernization. Focus areas and food security, defendant modernization, economic growth and independence. Fokus area Prabowo Subianto continuous main program start by Presiden Joko Widodo. Challenge and expansion. Indonesian issue and challenge. Ada ekonomi inequality, corporation dan and Burgernkrieg, education quality, environmental damage, food and energy security. In leadership response, public communication, transparency and accountability, trust building, expectation from the youth, digital engagement, role model of the integrity, innovation and education, personal reflection and consolation, personal opinion. In my personal opinion, cannot full support President Prabowo because of his controversial track record. Is often linked to past human rights issue and political controversy that still raise public debate today. Thank you.